Good morning, dear children. I am Arun Kumar Sir, Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Nawada. My dear children, our topic today is the tiny teacher for class 7 English. Dear children, today we are talking about the ant's life. You know, the smallest and commonest insect on the earth is an ant. It is commonest. Everywhere we can find the ant. But several kinds of the ants may be found. But again, the commonest type of the ants are red or black, either red or black. Generally, the ants may be found. So far as the different aspects of the ant are concerned, first of all, I want to tell you about the ant that it has an antenna. It is also called the feeler. Generally, one ant talks to another ant coming from the other direction through the feeler or through the antenna. One ant greets the other ant with the help of the feeler. So it has a feeler that is also called an antenna. Now, ant lives in a particular place. That place is anthill. The place of the ant is anthill, where the ants live. But anthill has dozens of the small rooms. In some rooms, worker ants live. In some other rooms, soldier ants live. In some other rooms, queen ants live. In some other rooms, cleaner ants live. Because all the ants have their own assigned work. One ant cannot work for other. The children, the young ones of the ant are grubs, young ones. The ant is very much useful for all of us. We can get a lot of lessons. We can get a lot of teachings from the life of the ant. Really, the ant is very peaceful. The ant is very, very disciplined. We can get discipline from the life of the ant. Because if the ants they can be found going in a line, in a queue. They cannot harm the other ants, they cannot harm the other grubs, So, very useful it is. So far as work is concerned, the worker ants, the main work of the worker ant is to work, is to serve the food, collect the food from the outside, and it is kept in the storeroom because some of the rooms are used as the storehouses, the storerooms. So particularly we have seen that the ants' lives are very peaceful and disciplined. Very systematically we can see the ants' life. Very systematic. Now, on the other hand, we will find how the ants can affect us. Some more things just we can see. Ants' lives, ants' works, ants' living standard, everything just we can talk about now. So far as the queen ants are concerned, the queen ants generally they lay eggs. eggs hatch and grubs come out. Soldiers, the main work of soldiers are to guard them, to guard grubs. The workers feed and clean them, and they carry about daily for airing, exercise, sunshine. Again we see 2 or 3 weeks later, grubs become cocoons and lie without food or activity for 3 weeks more. Then the cocoons break and perfect ants appear. Now it's time for teaching and training. Again, teaching and training are provided to the ants. Thereafter, the ants can be trained well. They get training for working, for guarding, for cleaning, for collecting the foods, etc. So here we see the very systematic lives, very systematic ways of the ant. So dear children, we see here the ant's life is very much important for all of us, and this is why the ant is called the teacher. However, it is very tiny, very small, but it is the teacher. It can teach us. The human beings also may be taught by the ant. This is why the ant is a tiny teacher, because we learn hard work, sense of duty and discipline, cleanliness, care for the young ones, and above all, a firm loyalty to the land where they live. Such things just you can find from the lives of the ant. So dear children, today only we have to leave here a few questions just for you. Number 1, how long does it take for a grub to become a complete ant? Second one, why do the worker ants carry the grub about? Third one, what jobs are new ants trained for? Next, name some other creatures that live in ant hills. Last, mention any 3 things we can learn from the tiny teacher. Give reasons for choosing these items also. तो प्यारे बच्चों, आज का टाइनी टीचर हमारे लिए बहुत ही उपयोगी पाठ रहा अंग्रेजी में कक्षा 7 के बच्चों के लिए, जो ये पहला सप्लीमेंट्री रीडर का लेसन है, लेकिन बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है एक छोटे से जीव चींटी के बारे में, जो हमारे लिए एक लघु शिक्षक के रूप में काम करता है। धन्यवाद।